What's going on, you guys? It's your girl, Coach CBD, also known as Millionaire Mommy if you follow me on Instagram. And I'm so excited to talk to you about Hempire 1000. Listen, you either found this video on the YouTube platform, you saw me promote it from my Instagram, or you probably even saw me promote it from Facebook. But either way, you are going to be so glad that you decided to tap in when you did. Okay, yes, I'm going to show you the Hempire system, but I just want to tell you guys just a little bit of information about myself in case you do not know who I am. My name is Coach CBD. I have been a internet marketer for the past 8 years. I have been an internet marketing coach for the past 4.5 of those years, you guys, and I have helped a lot of people make money online. I actually created Hempire 1000's marketing system, and I'm also known to have created other marketing systems that generated so much money online. It helps so many other people make money online. So there's a definite reason why I'm super excited to talk to you guys about this system in particular. I am 100% a believer. Guys, listen, this CBD opportunity has allowed me to generate over $100,000 in less than a year of me being in the opportunity. Amazing. This is my first time really getting into network marketing, really diving into multi-level marketing type of business things. I've tried some things in the past, but it just was, they were either old school companies that didn't like my modern day digital marketing strategies, or, I just wasn't big on the whole, recruiting a lot of people. And so this opportunity that I decided to say yes to, it fits my entire idea of what it is I saw myself doing, which is building the business 100% online. So if that's you, you're looking to tap into the CBD industry, right? You're looking for a way to make money 100% from home, right? You're looking for a way to digitalize your money, right? So you're not necessarily having to have home events, right? We're in the middle of a pandemic, you guys. Nobody is pulling out of those events the way that they used to. Like 400 and 500 people aren't showing up to events at this time. It's not even safe. It's not even practical, right? So my strategy is not only great, it's on time. It's on time. It's a solution, right? And so I'm super excited to share it with you guys. These are the products I wanted to show you guys. You're going to see this as I go over the marketing system, but I have actually been on these products for a year now. I started off as a customer, and after I started off as a customer, I was like, wow, I lost a lot of weight with the detox tea, and the Harmony drops in the really helped me with my anxiety, right? And the Alleviate cream really helped me with pain that I deal with, especially down my spine. I had a spinal injury. So I cannot wait to share, more information with you guys about how we are going to literally take this opportunity by storm. So many people are going to be excited to sign up. It's not even funny, guys. This marketing system is going to do all of the recruiting for you. So I think it's perfect because since I've been in the company, I realized that everybody is not, as confident when they first launch a business. Everybody is not as fluent. Everybody is not as accessible. Sometimes people are just super busy. And I said, it's time to make a marketing system that people can tap into, right, when it's time to get their coin. The old school way is out of the window. Let's tap in. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys really quickly here. Boom, right here in front of you, you have it. Hempire 1000, you guys. This is my baby. This is the new marketing system for the CBD business opportunity. Now, listen, we make money a lot of different ways, you guys. But this way in particular, recruiting, this is going to help you with the recruiting side of the business, which is where you're going to make a lot of your money, okay? So Hempire 1000 is a movement. Let me just tell you what it is. It's a movement, it's a community, and it's also a marketing system. So Hempire 1000 is the name of my team, my organization. Hempire 1000 is also the name of my strategy. Right here, what you see in front of you. So this is actually the sales page. This is the first part of the marketing system that I put together not too long ago, you guys. And so this is the sales page, and I'm going to walk you through the sales page and show you how this system is literally going to do all the recruiting for you. All right. So here is Hempire 1000. And as I scroll down, let me click on it. As I scroll down, You're going to see Run Your Hempire. This is how we are choosing to brand the movement, okay? And then you see a photograph of the CBD products. Now, we have some that are not there, like our CBD soap and things like that, but you have the CBD products there. Okay, and it says tap into the CBD industry with a multi-million-dollar company. Listen, the company that I have partnered with has been around since 1999. And if that doesn't speak volumes to you, let me tell you why it should. There is nothing better, right, than being able to partner with a company that has withstood the times. Okay, this company is not breakable. 20 years is a very long time. And I say, if I'm going to get into the CBD industry, I'm going to go with a company that has been around helping people regain their health, right? Increase their health and change their lifestyles for the past 20 years. And so I did. So tap into the CBD industry with a multi-million-dollar company. Here are the 3 enrollment kits that you're going to learn about on the webinar, right? Before you even enroll. So you have Hempire Kit number 1, Hempire Kit number 2, Hempire Kit number 3. So now the amazing thing about this marketing system is that it's going to break the information down for the people who are inquiring upon joining you in the business, right? So you don't have to tell them what all comes in the kit number 1 and kit number 2 and kit number 3. You have a sales page to do it for you. Then it breaks down to 5 ways of pay. Yes, I said 5. We get paid 5 different ways. Guys, how many businesses are out there allow you to make money 5 different ways? 5 streams of income from one business. Oh, I am glad about it. I am so glad about it. So the first way of pay is retail commissions, 50% on retail, $20 fast start bonuses, weekly residuals up to $20,000 a week, you guys. $20,000 a week. 50% check matches unlimited. So that means when you bring people into the business, you're going to earn 50% check matches from those people. And then a $1,500 monthly bonus. Listen, the money side of this business is nothing to worry about. It is solid. Okay. Like I said, I have been able to generate over $100,000 in just 8-9 months of launching my business side of the company. Okay. Here are premium CBD products, 100% result driven. Now, why is that important? It's important that our products are result driven, you guys, because people are going to continue to buy our products. What fun is it of a compensation plan if nobody wants your products, right? What fun of it is residual income if nobody's going to keep buying your products? So the fact that our products work. Now, listen, I lost over 30 pounds on the tea. I cleared my skin up myself. And here are some other stories right here in front of you. This is an amazing, amazing sales page, okay? This page right here, it gets to the point. This is so perfect for people who don't have the time or, are not confident enough to explain the opportunity and share the opportunity. All you have to do is send your people to this marketing system. They're going to get on the sales page first. Okay, here I am. That's me. And we are all taking Harmony drops. Look at all the amazing weight loss stories. We have real customers, you guys, with real results. People buy our products whether they're selling it or not, right? And actually, our customer base is a lot bigger than our distributor base. So that speaks volume for a company, when a lot of people buy it more than people sell it. It's a big deal. So then you go into the watch the webinar and learn. You're going to watch a webinar. This sales page is going to take your people to an automatic webinar that plays every 15 minutes, you guys. Literally, once somebody lands on this page and they register for the webinar, there's going to be a webinar starting, an evergreen webinar in 15 minutes. So you're going to learn more about the products, okay? You're going to learn how to get started. You're going to get a breakdown of the compensation plan, and you're even going to get a bonus training that shows you how to get to $1,000 a week fast. Come on. This is an amazing, amazing process right here. This is an amazing, amazing sales page because it tells the people what they can expect. Okay, it explains the business in a way that everybody is not able to explain, right? So it really automates the process of doing launch calls, right? I know a lot of you guys probably do private launch calls or you do events and things like that, or 3 ways. It takes that out of the formula and it puts in automation. So right after they come here, right, they're going to click on watch the webinar. and they're going to book their seat to the webinar, right? And this system is invitation only. It's invitation only. So you're going to know exactly who you're sending to the system. They're going to come here, they're going to register, and it's going to be a webinar starting within minutes. Okay, so maybe you can't get on the phone at 8 o'clock in the morning. They can still watch it. Maybe you can't get on the phone at 10 o'clock at night with people and help them join the business. They can still get the information that they are looking for. Okay, all they have to do is go through this amazing, amazing marketing system. And let me tell you, that webinar is fire. It's so much value inside of that webinar. It's unheard of. Okay, so much upfront value. Most times you don't get that type of information until you're in the business. It's literally going to feel like you're already in the business. So I just wanted to share with you guys how this works. This is Hempire 1000. This is how we're planning on doing the recruiting for you. This is what's going to happen. You're going to be able to use this system when you decide to join after you watch the webinar. Okay, and in order to do that, listen at me. In order to do that, if you want to watch the webinar, all you have to do is click on the link in my description box, and you can send me a message on Facebook, you can send me a message on Instagram, or you can click the link and fill out the application form to see if this opportunity is right for you. I want to ask you a few questions just to see if this opportunity is going to be the best opportunity for you. I don't want you to waste your time. So it works for everyone, right? So this is an amazing, amazing opportunity. I cannot wait to have you on my team. Yes, you. I cannot wait to be your coach. I actually train 6 days a week. 1 hour a day, 6 days a week. The leadership here is phenomenal, you guys. You have so much support. You are in business for yourself, but you are not in business by yourself. So listen, click on the link so that you can get into Hempire 1000 and learn how you can launch your CBD business, learn more about our CBD products, learn exactly how you're going to get paid 5 different ways. And at the end of the opportunity, I'm going to give you a free training, a free fast start training that's going to show you how to jumpstart your business to $1,000 a week within the next 30 days. So if you're ready, contact me ASAP and let's get you plugged in. Super excited. Super excited for this. I've done it once and I'm doing it again. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl, Coach CBD, also known as Millionaire Mommy, and I'll see you in 2 places, at the beach and at the bank. I'm out.